Here are 5 things you didn't know about the Jonestown Massacre that prove it wasn't suicide. First, over 300 children died that day. Children can't commit suicide. They were murdered by the adults who were supposed to protect them. Second, Jim Jones had armed guards stationed around the compound. When people tried to escape during the final hours, they were shot or forced back at gunpoint. Third, Jones had been practicing for this moment through events he called White Nights. These were rehearsals where followers drank what they thought was poison, conditioning them for the real thing. Fourth, the cyanide was mixed into Flavor Aid, not Kool-Aid like most people think. Guards forced it down people's throats, while audio recordings captured children crying and begging for their lives. Fifth, when investigators found Jones's body, he had died from a gunshot wound to the head. He couldn't even follow through with his own twisted plan, choosing a quick death while watching others suffer.